What's up, A1 EDU? It's Brandon stepping in for Robert today. Behind me here, we have a storm shelter that we're going to do a video install of.
Oh yeah, alright.
We are on site. We just spoke to the customer about where he wants his shelter. Let's go meet the guys.
I'm Elijah, the LeBron of safe movers.
Is really having fun with the fans.
I'm just Austin.
We can right there. Okay. That much because it passes the foundation a little bit.
From LeBron James.
That's it, A1 EDU. Another successful delivery and install. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends.